Good afternoon, good evening, good night, everybody. Hope you're doing well. It's day 10 on the chili pepper seed propagators. Let's have a look at the 4 trays. Just want to throw a big thank you to everyone that's had a view, a like, and a couple of subscribers, people commenting. Just really appreciative of, your time. Time is short, time is infinite, but time is short for us humans, and time is precious, and you're taking your precious time to watch me dribble on about my chilies. I just really appreciate it. So enough dribbling again, and we'll start with these chilies. So thank you all, and hope you're enjoying these, and I shall continue doing them every day until this year's frost hits and we see the chili graveyard, which will be heartbreaking, but hopefully we'll have had hundreds of different types of chili pods and plants and peppers and powders and seeds, and successful farmers markets and local. Now I shall document it all, and we'll just see how it goes. Right, onto the trays. Here we go. The Tabasco's looking good. They've perked up a lot more. Jalapenos, nicer, stronger, brighter, darker leaves, but still quite leggy. Bueno Mulatto's grown significantly. The true leaves are starting to pop out, and on that one. And then the dream catchers, yep, just starting to see a little beak of the true leaves there. Same with the Scotch bonnets. Got more dream catchers there. Okay, tray 2. Okay, tray 2. We got the Armageddons. They're looking great. I did nudge the one over there, and he's grown significantly, so that's fantastic. There's a branchy, leggy, but doing okay, I think. Not too bad. Pineapple, let's not talk about that. Large orange tie. Just starting to see the true leaves peek in there. Beautiful. Okay, tray 3. Alright, tray 3. Sugar Rush Peach Stripies. Bit slow on the start there. These are looking great. So those, the ghost peppers. Lovely stuff. Habanero, my one and only. Oh, no, there's 2. Carolina Reapers. Got a couple popping through there. Still got their seed casings on their heads. Couple coming through. And then the Zimbabwe Black. We're just starting to see some true leaves popping up there. Let's go to tray 4. Okay, guys, tray 4. Look at this. Right, the Kashmiri Merch. We got true leaves coming along nicely now. Yep. Wonderful. Sweet bananas plumped up nicely. Padron, a couple of beauties there. Poblano, the second one's coming up, look. Black jalapenos is popping nicely. The cayennes are looking good. Look at those, that's probably the most amount of true leaf growth I've seen so far with these. And then the MOA, Scotch bonnet. Thank you all for joining us today. Hopefully see you around the same time tomorrow with day 11. Take care of yourselves. Look after me, myself and I. No one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.